dual head crimping and shell threading, CR13Z model. Its function is dual head terminal crimping and shell threading. Single head terminal crimping and single head wire twisting and turning. Functions can be freely selected. Compatible with ribbon and electronic wires. Debug 13Z device in 4 parts. Part 1, wire splitting and cutting. Part 2, terminal crimping. Part 3, feeding and shell threading. Part 4, inserting shell connectors. This also includes the later visual inspection section. First, let's begin with wire splitting and cutting. First, install the adjusted wire splitting module at this position for ribbon cables. There are offer screws here. Specifically in this area, refer to the demonstration position for a clear view. This is the wire splitting module explained in previous videos. This product is a ribbon cable with one OPIN, split into 2 outputs. Set the basic parameters according to the drawings. 2. Stripped openings at both ends. 3. Pin positions of the wire. 4. Include front and rear wire splitting. Fill in the necessary parameters for wiring in sequence. Next, let's proceed with the practical operation. First, thread the wires. The customer's product uses a 5-pin configuration. Our cable has a 10-pin configuration. Therefore, there is a wire stripping device here. A single 10-pin cable is split into 2 5-pin cables. When threading, be mindful of the marked side. Pay close attention if the customer has specific requirements. This particular wire is easy to thread, so we can simply operate it directly. Some cables are relatively stiff. Threading at wire, stripping section can be difficult. What should you do in this situation? Remove these for screws. Thread the cable correctly, then reattach the screws. This wire stripping fixture corresponds to the operation. Softer cables can be threaded directly through. The threading length should extend approximately 2 to 3 centimeters beyond the wire outlet. This is a wiring scope. Adjust the height of the compression device based on the wiring alignment. After passing through the complete straight guide, proceed to thread it under the split line load. There are 4 holes. Click the threading button here. Only then will the front pressing cylinder lift. Here you can see the wire arranging cylinder extend out. After threading is complete, click the threading button again. Trim off the excess wire. Leave approximately 2 to 3 centimeters. This step completes the threading process. Next, reset the machine to its original position. Once the reset is complete, proceed with the wire discarding action. A Observe the trimmed wires at this point. Check if the peeling mouth matches the set parameters. Verify if the peeling mouth aligns with the drawing requirements. Ensure that the split length is exactly consistent with the parameters without any deviation. Additionally, check if the split line is misaligned or not separated, with wire unsplit. Here is the adjustment button for the split line cylinder. You need to loosen the screws at the top. Rotate counterclockwise and the blade will lower. Use to cut and separate wires. Do not adjust the blade to low. Low blade causes issues. Excessive wire jacket resistance leads to shrinkage if only one wire fails to separate. Check if the blade is fully installed at the bottom. You may cut one wire individually at this point. Operate manually to cut wires. After cutting, inspect to ensure the wire meets requirements. First, length equals drawing specs. First, check for offset and bifurcation. Third, verify both ends have equal spacing. These are the parameters we set. Check against your drawing. Additionally, inspect the quality. Check if the stripping area damages the copper wire or if the cut is uneven. If damaged copper wire is detected, adjust the stripping depth parameter. Retract depth should be adjusted according to wire diameter. The larger the diameter, the deeper the retraction. The smaller the diameter, the shallower the adjustment. Confirm all wires meet the requirements before proceeding to the next step. Terminal crimping setup. Terminal crimping parameters, specifically the front and rear settings, which play a vital and indispensable role in ensuring the smooth and proper functioning of the terminal crimping process. This parameter defines the spacing between wires for terminal attachment. Set parameters based on the required pin count of the product. The wire jig determines the spacing between each wire group.